2003 Mustang GT 4.7, 4.6, and it's got the aluminum head on it, and they're prone to eject the spark plugs after so many years, and that's what's happened here. Manufacturer only had 3 or 4 threads on it, so it ejected it. So now I have to retap it, put a metal insert in, so we can get the spark plug back in. Real quick, I'm going to release the gas from the fuel line. Now we're going to pull the scope out. We're going to see what it looks like down in there and see if we are. It's flush. That saves a lot. That way I don't have to open her up. Or I don't have to crank her over. I don't have to adjust the crankshaft bolt or nothing. So we're good with that. So now back to, we're going to unhook the fuel rail. This is a guide. We're going to take this bit and we're going to bore out any excess threads. Back in there and see the shavings real quick. So you can see where I started. There's some shavings and some over on that side, so we're good. Got a 2003 Mustang GT 4.7, 4.6, and it's got the aluminum head on it, and they're prone to eject the spark plugs after so many years, and that's what's happened here. Manufacturer only had 3 or 4 threads on it, so it ejected it. So now I have to retap it, put a metal insert in, so we can get the spark plug back in. Real quick, I'm going to release the gas from the fuel line. See if I got all those little pieces out. So there's a couple, and we'll try again real quick, but they're aluminum, so for all mechanics, that's going to get passed through. It's aluminum. It's not going to do nothing. It's not going to scar nothing up. Really looks real good in there. Got super lucky that the valve was in place to save me time. Okay, let's do that one more time. Okay, so I got it drilled out, got it tapped, got the steel insert installed with Loctite, got the spark plug installed. Now I'm going to put the coils back on. And then we'll be good to go. Get it started. We'll be back with you in a few minutes. Okay, so I got it all back together. You know, I was hired to do cylinder 3. It shot the spark plug out. Engines are prone to do that, these Ford engines. If this thing will crank over.